Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Toyota Sienna hybrid. First, locate the 12-volt battery's positive jump point, typically found under the hood in the fuse box. Ensure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park. For your safety, always wear protective glasses and gloves before handling jumper cables. This helps prevent any accidental shocks or injuries. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take the red positive cable and attach it firmly to the positive jump point of your Sienna's 12-volt battery, usually a red cap terminal in the fuse box. Next, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Then, connect one end of the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the donor car's battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining end of the black negative cable to an unpainted metal surface on your Sienna, away from the battery. This provides a good ground. Once all connections are secure, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. After this, try starting your Toyota Sienna hybrid. The gas engine may not start immediately, but the hybrid system should power on. Once your Sienna starts, it's crucial to disconnect the cables in the correct order. First, remove the black negative cable from the Sienna's metal grounding point. Then, disconnect the black negative cable from the donor vehicle. Next, remove the red positive cable from the donor car, and finally, from your Sienna's positive jump point. Drive your Sienna for at least 20 minutes to recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.